Hello, now welcome to another video. For today, this is not the voice of Python guy here, Elijah Bolaji. Once a big shout out to Bataverse for making this a possibility. Make sure so we get videos updates every time concerning this Python course. The whole idea be say at the end of this video compilation, you could learn Python from A to Z. Anything we get to do with the syntax of the programming language. We just want to say make you like our page, make you like our videos, make you subscribe. If you get problem when you the right code, just write your problem. Somebody go there to assist you at the end of the day. So today we want to talk about something very important in Python, a very important concept, and now list for Python. So wetin be list? If you just reason am, just think about normal list. You dey go market, you write list of the things where you want buy. Yes, now list it be. If it be list of different items. Remember, say if you watch our previous videos on data types on variables, we talk about variable they hold different value. Maybe they hold boolean value for true or false, yes or no. You they hold string values for text, you hold number values, hold number for integer, you they hold float for floating value, and all of these things. So but for the sake of list, if you hold more than one value, and list to depict list, they depict how for Python or most of the programming languages with this square bracket. It means a list. So if you either column, list, array, or collection, anything we just dey convenient with, if you column. Perfect. If you dey store variables before now, if you say you want store variable about, most say you want to store details about a person. Now a single person details we want store. So for the sake of list where we do so, you're supposed to understand say the values wey dey inside list it dey mutable. That means if you change them, it dey ordered. That means they follow from one order to another order. Then it dey of course mutable, it dey ordered, and we get indexed. It dey indexed. That is, it start from one position to another position. So when you use list data type, it depends on what you want carry do. When we start look applications of all these things and with the build working software, you go see where they use different data type. So most of we want store information about person. We want the first name. Mostly we want the first name to be equal to now string with a pass. We want the middle name like that. Now string with a pass. We want the age to be equal to mostly 44. We want the address. Now string, the address still na string with a pass for RAM, and all of those things. You see, say now just one person information we want store. We don't get about 4 different variable locations from line 6 to line 9. See, so each variable location we get now we use more memory for our space, they use more value. So how if we take avoid this kind occurrence? If we just get, maybe we get person, and the person, it means say this person now this kind value it will be. The value of this person now list it will be. So if we enter multiple data type for inside list we hold different data type inside one variable at different indexes. What I mean by what I just talk finish, say different data type, one variable, different indexes. You know, say if I want print this name now, if I say print name, you go return. Might say the data type of name we will get from our last video. If you still remember, if we say we want print the type of most say age. If I run say I want print the type of age for Python will tell me say age na integer. That means yes, na integer be this. So make I print type of person. I expect me Python tell me say na list e be. See am. It tell me say na list, say na class list. That means anything will be class list, I fit get multiple values or multiple item inside. So most start pass item 1. More pass item 1, most I call my name. Most say item 2, I won't say I get 45 million how many be million. Then Mo say item 3, I dey present or not. I say yes, I dey present. I pass boolean data type. Item 4, mo say I get 45.7 to represent floating number. So these are 3 different data types. In fact, item 5 I'll still pass list. So list fit hold any different data type we will get. And one of the ways to print out, most say we want print out print each of these things. We want print out items for the list. Most of one print out item for the list. And you need to understand something. First note, we'll have this note. List in Python starts from index 0. Wetin e mean? It means say the first item we dey here dey for position 0. So index na nothing but if you still call am position. So if you say index 0 or position 0, anyone wey you feel say go make am clear, the whole concept dey clear to you. So that means this first item dey for position 0 of this entire list wey dey stored in this variable name. So how we want take see the item? If I say I want person, might just print the whole list first. I say print person, it will give me the list. It will return the entire list to me for here. If you see, it is the list of what I get. Okay, fine. It work like that. Then we'll say the next thing I want to see. I want to see if you want access items inside your list, now still with your square bracket. Then you will pass the index. Now, what I thought we say, I want from this person list return whatever they inside the first index position for me. So most waiting go return. If you see, it return my name. Yes, because now me dey for index 0. What if I say index 1? Waiting go return. If you guess, it go return this particular value we'll get. So if you see, just inside one variable, if you save multiple values at the same time, most say I want to see the last thing, the last element for my list. Python gets waiting that they call negative indexing. So if I say I want to return -1, for example, it will go start count from the end of my list. See I'm here. You go start count from here. Make I pass in some things. Make I just pass in this as a list of number. So the last element for here na list of numbers. If you see 1 to 9. Now in Python return because it is here. So this one list inside another list. We will talk about that for one of those videos. So if you guess, if I want to say I want the last element inside this last element, if you look at what you will see, say person and this first box get us into this list. How we want to take enter into this list? The same thing, we will pass another square bracket, mostly maybe -1. So what we would expect at the end of the day, we would expect to see maybe like 9 or something. Yeah, so we get 9 for here at the end of the day. So now what's in list mean for Python? But that just to collect different items into one variable. So the next video we'll talk about list method. We will see how we take access element for the list and all of those things. But before we go, I want we check this particular guy where we see for string. We still get them for list as well. This method will help us return the length. See, say 5. Why be 5? If you count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in the case of Python, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why they count the position of whatever the list is. So more concept question come for you. Say, okay, I beg print all elements in this list. Like go through this list, sort out the element. So it's as easy as whenever I go for loop, but I feel use for most say for info in person. I they say for info in that person list. I want print info. This info now instant variable I create to take loop through this list. So you go check, you will come this list, check this one, check that one, 2. Most waiting this one go return for us at the end of the day. You see you go through, you say this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each time where they go, they loop through, they return whatever thing you see from here. In fact, if we make this one much more interesting, if we say we want to return just this list within inside the list, so if you write simple condition, if you say if info, if type of info, that's if the data type of this info we will check now it dey equal to most a list. If the class na list, then I want print info. Most waiting go return. I dey expect them to print just the list inside another list for me. Why? Yes, this is what I have. So I tell them that this one are type checking. I say if you say the type of info you get in a list, I beg print the info. So now you see what it give me. It return the list of this particular thing where I get from me. So we go check the next videos. We go talk about list methods, the kind of methods we come with that data type list. We will take use for the list itself to be able to access, update, delete, clear list, concatenate list, join different lists together, and do a whole lot of things with a list. Lists are very powerful data type in the sense that it allows us to collect different kind of values and store in a single variable, and if you access them with the square bracket. So things to note before I come up for this video: you create list with the square bracket, you access list with the square bracket. So like we say again, list na nothing but just array or collection, a collection or array be. So I will see una for the next video. Make una take care.